Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how the fees percentage work. So, as a default value, Hasselblad defines a fees percentage of 13 in order to cover eBay and PayPal fees. When you first create an account, your approximate fees are 10% for eBay and 3% for PayPal. You can edit this percentage whenever you want, since it is just an estimation. This won't affect your prices. The fees percentage is included in your markup. So, in order to see the fees percentage and to edit it, you must go to Settings, Account, and right at the bottom of the page, you will see it on the left-hand side. So, as I told you before, 13% is the default value, but you can edit it as you wish and whenever you want. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching us. Remember to stay tuned by following us on social media and watching our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.